Bonjour, everyone. I hope all is well in City Tech. I just want to start by telling my fellow Parisian students that I love and I miss you all. Unfortunately, I can't be with you today because I'm away. I hope you all do well on your presentations. After reading Paris, Paris by David Downey, there was one quote that stood out to me, and I knew I had to capture it while I was in Paris, with a photo that inspired me in relation to the quote, and luckily I did. The quote was, "He swept her away on his yacht, and before the year was out, they were inseparable. Their whirlwind romance was to last half a decade." It was on page 117. Also, since Coco Chanel is a big inspiration for me, in the aspect of love, business, and class, I visited the Rue Cambon, where her studio was in, and Angelina's tea room, where she used to sit, drink cocoa, and people watch. Some of my favorite things to do. My photo is entitled Love on a Lock Bridge, and it is an inspiration to me because I'm such a hopeless romantic. And besides, where better else to experience real true love than in Paris?